Okay, here's a quick video on how to scroll through the power modes on this GT e-bike. It's a great eGrade current. So basically, to turn it on, you hold it down and it will go to the default power mode. Flash connect, it's connecting to the phone, and now it's white. So to go to the next level, you press twice. It flashes, and then it will revert back to the power level. So once it flashes the green, that's the first level. So it's functioning as both a mode changer and a battery level indicator. So now it's at the green level. Press it again, it's going to go to the orange level, which is the second level, and then refers back to the power level, which is white because it's 100% charged. We go again, it's going to go red, flashes red, and then goes back to white. So the trick is to remember what you're at. You feel it in the bike, but don't use the indicator because it will always revert back to the power. And to go back down, press it twice again, and it reverts back to the white. The white is just you. There's no power assist in the white. Hope this was helpful.